the C63. We're going to be wrapping it black, gloss black. We're also blacking out the rest of the car. This car was in a rear end collision. We were pretty much 90% done fixing that. So at the same time, we're going to also do a gloss blackout for the customer. Right after accident, he's going to get the car looking better than it did before. On the street next to our shop, we have to come out and find a trailer that is holding a customer vehicle. It's a Bentley Bentiaga. So we're gonna be taking it out, taking it to the shop, and we're gonna do some work on it. Bending pretty nicely.
Right now. It's a fake camera. It really happened. Oh,
Santos. Who would win an arm wrestle, you or Vic?
I don't know, man.
He doesn't want to say.
Anybody.
He doesn't want to say. Gonna pick one. Oh!
Have you seen the videos and stuff? Oh, sure, man. It's really bad. It's a guy.
Nice. Cool. Where are you from, man?
From here, LA.
LA? What are you doing out here?
I'm just visiting today. It's my day off, so just decided to come by. And
perfect weather, man. Let's see the air freshener, man. Let's see the air freshener.
right here, man.
Alright. Nice.
No, don't ignite it right now. The whole place is gonna burn. Shooting gasoline, bro. Move your leg.
Thanks, man. Thanks for watching up.
Yeah.
We have an LED light module here going into this G-Wagon 4x4 for a Starlight roof. Here is the fiber optics that are leading inside to the headliner of this G-Wagon 4x4. This is the second one we did. We're doing another one soon, but this is all the fiber optics. Thousands of them go into this headliner. It's a very large headliner. So this is what you see here is going to be trimmed. We're going to put the modules in there. We're going to test everything, close everything up, and we'll be done.
Okay, so we have a Volkswagen Passat that came in this morning for a major coolant leak, so it was towed in here. So this car has a housing, thermostat housing, that's gone bad already. It's old, wear and tear, so we're going to go ahead and replace that, along with a lot of rubber hoses that this car comes with. So they are old as well, leaking from there, they're cracked. We're going to replace those as well, clamps, and we're going to replace a sensor on the car. Okay, so we are looking at the coolant leak right now. If you guys don't know, a lot of these cars, you know, there's German cars, Japanese cars, they all have different color coolant. So this is an orange color coolant for German, which is used on Mercedes and BMWs and also Volkswagens. We're going to clean everything up now, make it nice and clean, so when we put the new parts in, then we're going to go ahead and test the car and make sure everything is okay. We should be good. Car should be at 100%.
Every fan gets, you know, an appearance in the videos. I've watched all of them, honestly.
Oh, nice. Woo! Where are you from, man?
I'm from Paris, France.
Nice. What are you doing out here?
Oh, just chilling out in West Hollywood.
Fuck.
How many times do they try, you think?
I don't know. See, the P is color.
Yeah, the build the color, but
But it has to
other
match.
people like 307.
Yeah. It was like P07, let's say. Alright, so we got a red 488 Spider here. This car belongs to our good friends from Black and White Rent-A-Car. This vehicle has clear bra front protection from RDB. Unfortunately, a renter damaged the lower spoiler. The clear bra is all damaged. We're going to be taking it off. Hopefully there's no paint damage, and then we could re-clear bra and send it back. About closing time, it's not in the front, must be in the back closing up, I don't know. How's it? The lights are on for that G-Wagon. Moses, what are you doing?
I'm enjoying the stars. There's no other place that I would rather be right now. Jesus. This is beautiful. Nice.
Another G-Wagon 4x4 with the full Starlight headliner, changes colors, wireless remote, thousands of fiber optics again. It's gorgeous. Customer's gonna love it. We're doing another one. It's in the works right now. Another 4x4. So it is very different than the smaller Starlight roofs. This headliner is massive, so it takes thousands of fiber optics, really large LED control modules, but it comes out amazing. What more do you want than a big Mercedes G-Wagon with stars in the headliner? Voila! Self-parking BMW 2018 M760i V12 monster. BMW finally created something really cool, I think, so we're gonna show you guys this car.